Hey guys, today I was going to replace a leaky shower cartridge. This is a Moen branded shower cartridge. The first step is of course to take out the old cartridge, and the way I'm going to do it, especially for this plastic one, is to remove the flap. Once I get the flap out, I have a Phillips screw over here, so I'm just going to use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw. I already disassembled it, so it's going to come out pretty fast. Make sure you retain these because you'll need to use them later. So once you get these two out, you need to remove the handle. This just pulls out, and once you remove the handle, you can get access to these two Phillips screws as well. This is holding the base plate here. As I said, I already loosened it, but once you remove these, you should be able to pull them off. After you remove the base plate, you can also remove this. This might come out before removing the base plate too. Before removing the cartridge, remove the washer here, and you see the small washer. This just slides out, and you'll also need to remove this retainer pin. So this is very important. You don't try to pull off the cartridge without removing the retainer pin, because that might just break the entire piping. Well, here it is. So got the retainer clip out. Make sure to keep this, because when you buy a new cartridge, the retainer clip doesn't come with it, so you will need to reuse this. I did get this Moen Posi-Temp cartridge. You can buy this at Home Depot or Lowe's. I think Danco also makes a replica or replacement part for Moen 1222. That might be $10 cheaper. Once I open this up, of course you have the cartridge inside, but you also get this plastic piece, and this is important because you need this plastic piece to remove the old cartridge. So the way it works is this goes in, and then you need to use a plier and rotate it 45 degrees in 45 degrees in clockwise direction to loosen the cartridge and pull it out. Alright, there was some more water left in the piping, so I guess that's just flowing out. Alright, I'm back after the mishap that I just had with the water on me from the shower. So what I did now is just to open up the faucet in the sink so that the whatever is remaining in the pipe just drains out from there and nothing comes out of the shower. So I can continue doing my work over here. So like I said, I used the plastic key that was provided in the new cartridge, and I rotated it 45 degrees in a clockwise direction, and what that did is it loosened the cartridge inside and pulled it out. And now if you look closely, the rectangular edge pops out of the base, so now I have a firm grip on the base on the cartridge, and I can just pull it out gradually. Don't pull the cartridge using the brass piece, because if the brass piece comes out and the cartridge is remaining inside, then it doesn't serve the purpose. You need to get the entire thing out. So let me get it all out. There it is, slow and steady. Got it. So there it is, the old cartridge. It looks in a good shape, but I think some of the washers inside might have just gone out, and that's causing the leak. So what I'm going to do is now replace this with the new one. Okay guys, so here's the new cartridge, and the new cartridge also comes with a lubricant. So what I'm going to do is just take the lubricant and put it all across the new cartridge so that it slides in easy. So just pour it here, apply it, and then on the other side as well. Okay, hopefully that should do it. I'm going to place it back in the shower. Before putting it in the shower, I just wanted to show you that there's a text called HC written over here, and that needs to be pointing up. So when you place it, it should be pointing up.
Wow, that was easy.
So now I'm going to put the retainer clip back in. So I put the retaining clip in. I was having some troubles putting it in. I think you might also face the same issue. So it has a notch on the top as well as on the bottom. All you need to do is use a screwdriver to push the pin a little inside so that it slides into the notch at the bottom. So once that was done, this pretty much went inside easily. And then I put back this washer that came with it, and then also the hub goes on top of it. I'm going to put the base plate in. So the base plate goes like this, and then I have two long screws that need to go in. Hopefully they won't get inside. Alright. So make sure that you have the hot, cold and off in the right position before you place the base plate. Alright. So the last step is to put the handle back on. There's an edge over here that slides on the left side of the edge on the hub. So you just place it and put the screw in. It's a Phillips screwdriver. Tighten it up. Okay, so ideally this should be rotating till the hot position, stop, and then again come back to the off position. Cap which goes on top of this. Guys, I'm back after turning off the main supply valve on, and I'm going to test this. So it's in the off position. That's good. There's no water coming and there's no leak, so I'm happy about it. Hopefully I get water when I turn it on. Yay! Cold, hot. So you see that it stops at the hot position and then comes back and stops at off. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you found the video useful.